Montenegro men's national basketball team, ball team. The Montenegro men's national basketball team Montenegrin, Košarkaška reprezentacija Crne Gore, romanized, Košarkaška reprezentacija Crne Gore represents Montenegro in international basketball tournaments. The supervising body is the Basketball Federation of Montenegro. Montenegro joined FIBA in 2006, following the restoration of Montenegrin independence in the same year. Since 2006, the national team has qualified for EuroBasket on 3 occasions: 2011, 2013, 2017. Montenegro also qualified for their first appearance to the FIBA World Cup in 2019. The team also takes part in smaller tournaments such as the Games of the Small States of Europe. History: 2006-2014. In 2006, the Basketball Federation of Montenegro, along with this team, joined the International Basketball Federation FIBA on its own following the independence of Montenegro. The Montenegrin national team entered international competition in 2008 and appointed Duško Vujošević as the national coach. Montenegro started from FIBA Division B, where they won first place in their first competitive season. Since becoming a separate team, Montenegro has won 13 official games in a row, until losing to Israel in August 2010. At that time, NBA players like Nikola Vucevic and Nikola Pekovic became the most known players of Montenegrin national team. In their first qualifiers for EuroBasket, Montenegro finished first in the group. So, the team qualified for EuroBasket 2011, where they played 5 games in the first phase with 1 win and 4 losses. The coach of Montenegro at their first ever EuroBasket was Dejan Radonjic. In August 2012, with the new coach Luka Pelvicevic, Montenegro started qualifiers for EuroBasket 2013. Again, they won first place, but without any defeat from 10 matches. Notable matches were against Serbia, first after the two countries separated. Montenegro won both games, and victory in Belgrade 73-71 in front of 18,000 spectators is gained by Nikola Ivanovic 3-point shot from the center, 1 second before the end of the match. As the first-place team in qualifiers, Montenegro participated at EuroBasket 2013 in Slovenia. They made better results than 2011, with 2 wins and 3 defeats, but that was not enough for the second phase of EuroBasket. First unsuccessful qualifying campaign since independence Montenegro had during the 2014. Surprisingly, group stage at the EuroBasket 2015 qualification, Montenegro finished third, so they failed to qualify for the final tournament. 2015 present. In 2015, Montenegro named Bogdan Tanjevic new head coach of the national team. Prior to taking the reins of the national team, he was the head coach of Fenerbahce. As the national team earlier failed to qualify for EuroBasket 2015, they participated in the Games of the Small States of European countries with less than 1 million citizens in Iceland, and easily won the gold medal. In summer 2016, Montenegro started competition in EuroBasket 2017 qualifiers, with the only ambition to qualify for their third final tournament since independence. In a group with Georgia, Slovakia, and Albania, Montenegro finished as a second-place team with 1 defeat and qualified for EuroBasket 2017. For the first time in their history, in EuroBasket 2017, Montenegro finished as a third-place team in the group stage and qualified to the knockout stage. At that time, that was the biggest success of the Montenegrin national team since its independence in 2006. 2 years later, Montenegro qualified for the 2019 FIBA World Cup for the first time, after a winner-take-all game in Podgorica against Latvia. Montenegro lost the game 80-74, but still went through as they had won the away game 84-75, thus holding the tiebreaker on points difference. With that result, Montenegro became the smallest state, by population, and territory to qualify for the FIBA World Cup since the establishing of competition. Competitive record. Montenegro made their first appearance at the FIBA World Cup in 2019. The national team has also appeared 3 times at the EuroBasket 2011, 2013, 2017. Among the other competitions, as a country with less than 1 million inhabitants, Montenegro participated at the Games of the Small States of Europe, winning the gold medal in 2015 and 2019. Results and fixtures. Win, loss. 2020, 2021, 2022. Team. Current roster. Roster for the 2023 FIBA World Cup qualifiers matches on 26 and 29 November 2021. Depth chart. Head coaches. Since independence, all head coaches were Montenegrin born. The first head coach of Montenegro was Duško Vujošević. With him, Montenegro won the FIBA B Division Championship 2009. From 2010 to 2012, Montenegro was coached by Dejan Radonjić, who led the national team to their first EuroBasket 2011. At their next EuroBasket participation 2013, Montenegro was led by Luka Pavićević. From 2015 to 2017, the head coach of Montenegro was Bogdan Tanjević, who led Montenegro to their first ever second phase games at the EuroBasket 2016. After that tournament, the Basketball Federation of Montenegro named Zvezdan Mitrović new head coach of the national team. During his mandate, Montenegro for the first time qualified for the World Cup 2019 as the smallest state to ever play at the global tournament. Notable former players. Past rosters. 2011 EuroBasket, finished 21st among 24 teams. 4 Nikola Vujošević, 5 Goran Đerić, 6 Boris Bakić, 7 Vlado Stepanović, 8 Milos Borisov, 9 Vladimir Mihailovic, 10 Omar Cook, 11 Slavko Viranes, 12 Milko Bielica, 13 Vladimir Dragicevic, 14 Nikola Pekovic, 15 Vladimir Dazic. Coach Dejan Radonjić. 2013 EuroBasket, finished 17th among 24 teams. 4 Nikola Vujošević, 5 Bojan Bakić, 6 Suad Sahovic, 7 Alexa Popovic, 8 Seed Sahovic, 9 Blagoto Sekulic, 10 Nikola Ivanovic, 11 Milko Bielica, 12 Tyrese Rice, 13 Marko Popovic, 14 Bojan Dubuljevic, 15 Vladimir Dazic. Coach Luka Pavićević. 2017 EuroBasket, finished 13th among 24 teams. 2 Tyrese Rice, 4 Nikola Vujošević, 6 Suad Sahovic. 2019 FIBA World Cup, finished 25th among 32 teams. 4 Nikola Vujošević, 5 Derek Needham, 6 Suad Sahovic, 7 Nemanja Radovic, 8 Seed Sahovic, 10 Alexa Popovic, 11 Marko Todorovic, 14 Bojan Dubuljevic, 20 Nikola Ivanovic, 23 Dino Radonjić, 30 Petar Popovic, 51 Milko Bielica. Coach Zvezdan Mitrović. Records. Largest home victory 102-58, Montenegro, Iceland, 26 August 2009, Podgorica. Largest away victory 37-100, San Marino, Montenegro, 2 June 2017, Sarajevo. Largest home defeat 65-80, Montenegro, Israel, 20 August 2014, Podgorica. Largest away defeat 99-60, Spain, Montenegro, 1 September 2017, Cluj-Napoca. Longest winning streak 13 matches, 6 September 2008, 14 August 2010. Longest losing streak 4 matches, 1 September 2011, 5 September 2011, 1 September 2019, 9 September 2019. Most scored points in a match 113, Albania, Montenegro 73 minutes 113. Least scored points in a match. 55. Greece Montenegro 71-55. Netherlands Montenegro 68-55. Most conceded points in a match. 100 Latvia Montenegro 100-68. Least conceded points in a match. 37. San Marino Montenegro 37-100. Highest home attendance 5,500. Montenegro Serbia 72-62. 2 September 2012. Podgorica. Highest away attendance 18,000. Serbia Montenegro 71-73. 18 August 2012. Belgrade. Head-to-head record. Below is the list of official performances of the Montenegro national basketball team against every single opponent. Last updated 29 November 2021. Kit. Manufacturer. Kappa 2008-2011. Peak 2011 present. Sponsor. Volley 2008-2011. FIBA 2012-2014. EPC 2014-2015, MTEL 2015 present.